alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to everyone, Super Global Host. Today, complete another software integration with ZATCA Phase 2. So, I will now test one ZATCA invoice. So, this is the accounting, and from here we go to customer and invoice. And the first work we need to select one customer. So I already make one customer, and there have some field we need to fill up. If we click here, then we can see what are the field we need to mandatory to fill up those to make. See, we need to give the state, we need to the building number, and district, city, and zip code, and tax number, and there have one option buyer identification. So there have multiple option, so we identify by tax identification number. So those are field we need to fill up for this customer. So this customer we also make from here, customers and customers, or from here, and click here to edit this existing customer. So after that we need to add one product here. For example, here the line product line, we need to add one product line. For example, we write a demo, and we click create. And after that this is okay. For testing purpose, we just keep here one. And after that we need to click save. This is now saved. And after that we uh, can click the confirm. So after save this one, it come in this way, and we simply need to click confirm. So it is now confirmed, and we see there have one button send to ZATCA for clearance. So if it is everything okay, then we send it to ZATCA. If we check the ZATCA response, there already generate one XML file. So when we click this ZATCA send to ZATCA for clearance, then it go to the ZATCA system, and it generate another XML file that confirm that it is okay. So we just click here send to ZATCA for clearance. So after click this one, the invoice is now cleared from the ZATCA. If we check the response, you see there have come another XML file that cleared from ZATCA, and there have all the information. Status is pass, and it is cleared from ZATCA. There show on warning that tell other buyer tax identification number to be incorrect. That means they tell the tax identification number we put here, this one incorrect. So we need to check it when we put the customer, or where we send this invoice, it is okay or not. Everything is okay, but integration part is working fine. So this is the process how can we integrate. And if we preview the invoice, then we can scan this invoice from ZATCA compatible the apps. Then it also show it is compatible. For example, now say this is the invoice QR code is coming, and we can check it by scan the QR code. So QR code is coming there, we can print this one, or we can download this one, and we can check this QR code. And we also go to back,